Talk of India, and two great aspects come right to the fore. One is celebration, the other design. We celebrate events, we celebrate festivals. That's what our country is made up of. But if you look at our history, we have this great history of design.
Land of Rajas, Maharajas, Badshahs, Nawabs and Thakurs, Kings. Land of luxury, opulence and affluence. Land of breathtaking beauties and awe-inspiring lifestyles. Land of juxtaposition of East and West. Land of Indo-Muslim architecture, Anglo-Indian architecture, Indo-Sasanic architecture, temple architecture, water architecture, land of commemoration and commendation. This was exclusive class of the society, or simply Diwan-e-Khas, where life was nothing less than the best for a select few. Yes, this is incredible India.
Today we see something similar ethos put into contemporary use, and even Indian art, Indian design is being now so-called exported, or people do appreciate overseas, and it's a sort of back and forth dialogue where we also get to get to use the technology and certain advancement which is happening abroad and put it into our Indian use.
But the time has changed drastically and dramatically. Globalization, industrialization and urbanization, all put together, have expanded the Diwan-e-Khas beyond imagination. Changing lifestyle and skylines of even Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities are testimony to the sea change in the pattern of habitation, glorification and personalization. All these words depict the spirit of inspiration, aspiration, motivation and ideation.
When we speak of interior design and the status or the state of art of interior design in India today, we realize, like just every other aspect of our lifestyle, whether it's clothing and food, interior design also has been governed or is being governed by brands. All strata of society want to use brands.
Huge middle class of India, which is pegged at 400 million, has awakened, and they are aspiring for the elevation from Diwan-e-Aam to Diwan-e-Khas. This incredible growth is thanks to the change in India's income pyramid. It is estimated that income level of Indians will almost be triple, and India will climb from its position as the 12th largest consumer market to the 5th largest consumer market by 2025.
This industry has grown up last 5 to 6 years back because there is a lot of products are available. Awareness has increased because of the materials are available everywhere. People have now started coming to the professionals, and that is why the entire demand in this industry has increased quite a lot.
Rapid urbanization, changing lifestyles, rising personal disposable income, and exposure to international trends and brands is leading to skyrocketing demand for the latest designs and lifestyle products. Prices, no bar. The sum total of all these key words: glorification, fascination, inspiration, and aspiration boils down to just 3 words: celebration of design. These 3 words have created unprecedented growth in the market for exclusive and expensive products for home decor. Superlatives have become a way of life because everyone wants personalization, innovation, automation, ornamentation, exasperation, acclamation, customization, and beautification.
India is in a very fast mode and developing very quickly. India will be setting new trends in time to come, see new brands, new qualities, new fashions, new systems, and new design and ideas. Probably it will be one of the great places to live in.
This is today's India, and tomorrow's India certainly is bound to be more vibrant, more demanding, and more spending. With this mind-boggling and heady mix of brands and spends, Triple ID Mumbai Regional Chapter and AMEX present 21st edition of Showcase in an altogether new format.
And what we see and what we show is going to be very important, because nobody wants to have similar kind. I don't know whether for values or lifestyle. So everybody is needing to be exclusive, whether their clothes or their environment. Even a simple wash basin needs to be exclusive. When you see something different, you say, where did you get it? And that branding is very, very important to see and show, or show and then let people see it. And that is what I think Showcase is all about. It's not another bazaar.
Where design will be at center stage, where exclusivity will be the key word, where everything will revolve around celebration of design. But mind well, there is much more than celebration. There is an exhibition spread over more than 1 lakh square feet. And yet, exhibition participation is by invitation only. There will be deliberations on design trends. Some of the finest and beautiful minds of design fraternity will deliberate and interact with the audience. There will be a theme pavilion as center of attraction, which will be designed and curated by some of the enlightened design professionals of India. India's premier design institute, School of Interior Design, CEPT, has already agreed to put up their pavilions to showcase innovative product designs. These are the glimpses of few firsts at Triple ID Showcase. There are many more surprises in store. No wonder this show will attract the movers and shakers of Indian design fraternity. That means the exhibitors will have architects and designers, engineers and consultants, realtors and urban planners, hoteliers and utility owners. Some of the leading industry bodies have already extended their support to Triple ID Showcase 2012. And we have our media partner, and hospitality partner.
Luxury and lifestyle are gaining greater momentum in India as they have almost become way of life. And in this context, it has become imperative to understand and most importantly, to celebrate the design that the entire fraternity of designers in and across India has to offer. Therefore, as the president of IIID, I appeal all of you, my designer friends, to attend, participate, and be a part of this IID Showcase 2012 that is to be organized in March in Mumbai.
Be a part of this design festival and join the celebration. Mark the dates. Note the venue. Forget the ARM events. Be a part of this class event. Triple ID Showcase 2012.